Hey everybody, and welcome back to Lining Up Ducks. As promised, I am going through all of the things with you that we are purging, getting ready for our journey to tiny living. So right now I have got the tree undecorated, and this is the giant mess of Christmas decorations. And I say Christmas, but there is one box of like Halloween and Thanksgiving, and then I have my little Easter tree. I have 1 hour before I pick up the kids from school, and I'm going to see how much of this hot mess I can get sorted and put away for storage for the ones that are going into storage, which will be very few, and then donations and a sell pile. So I have 1 hour. Let's see how much I can get done. We have a small RV that we're going into for a couple of years before we buy some land and build a house. So what I'm keeping are the sentimental things, the things that I can't replace. What I'm getting rid of or donating or selling is anything that I can buy again. So think of it this way. Let Walmart pay your storage bill for however long that you want to store it. Also, as I'm going through this, I'm thinking of what I have used in the last couple of years, what is specific to the decorations of the home that we're currently in that I won't be able to use in the next home that we're in, and what items are things that I've just kept because I have them and I have used them in the past, but I haven't been using them recently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch our whole journey to tiny living. Comment below if you have suggestions on RV life or things that we can purge before a big move. Okay, so we've had traditional ornament boxes in the past, which are great, but they take up a whole lot of space. So I got colored paper so that I can wrap the girls' ornaments in them because we have our girls color coded. That way I know whose ornaments are which, and they can all go space-savingly into one box and hopefully just save us a whole lot of space. All of their ornaments fit just in the top of this box, and I put some pillows that I made on the bottom of it to keep it nice and cushioned so they won't break. And I'm going to wrap up just a couple of our ornaments that we're going to put on the tree, some that are real special to me that I like on the tree every year. And other than that, those are the only ornaments that we're going to keep in our RV Christmas bucket. That is the one box that we're going to put in the RV for our Christmas decorations for next year. Now I have to sort through what's going to go into storage and what's going to be donated and sold. Well, this is it. This is all I kept. One box for us to take to the RV. That's what we're going to use in the RV, and we'll get just a small little Christmas tree next year, whatever will fit in our space. And then this box is going into storage. It's all sentimental things that I want to keep, and then as well as this one is going into storage. So, and this is the only Halloween and stuff I kept. It's the girls' sacks that they trick or treat with. So one box for the RV, one big box and one small box of storage. Not too bad. This is what I got rid of. 2 bags of trash, and the rest of this is donate. I'm gonna sell our large Christmas tree, and that's it. It took me less than an hour, and I feel so accomplished. All right, everybody, that's it for today. I have purged all of our holiday decorations. The only thing that I kept that I realized was in a closet was my nativity set. The rest of it you saw, and I may even try to get my nativity set down to a smaller box than what it's in. Thanks for watching our journey to tiny living. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you on my next big purge project.